ये बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है कि ये एक राष्ट्रीय धरोहर है, एक तरह से नेशनल म्यूजियम, तो म्यूजियम ऑफ नेचुरल हिस्ट्री। तो ये इतने सारे हजारों वहाँ सारे अवशेष रखे थे जो बहुत महत्वपूर्ण होते हैं। रोज 1000 लोग यहाँ आते हैं देखने के लिए। तो इसको जो आग लगी है ये बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। अभी मैंने फायर कर्मियों से भी बात की है, तो वो जब अभी तो उनके वो सब लोग हैं वहाँ, जैसे हमारे हाथ में देंगे तो हम इसको देखेंगे कि क्या 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 नुकसान हुआ है। और अभी मैंने तुरंत आदेश दिए है कि हमारे सारे प्रबंधन के, क्योंकि देश भर में 34 अलग अलग ZSI और BSI के म्यूजियम्स है, तो उन सब का एनर्जी और फायर सेफ्टी ऑडिट भी नए सिरे से कर ले, ताकि ये चीज़ें जो होती है वो महत्वपूर्ण होती है। वो जलने से एक बार खाक हो गया, इसको कैसे रिस्टोर कर सकते हैं, कितना नुकसान हुआ है, इसका जायजा कल परसों 2 दिन में मिलेगा। उसके बाद क्या काम करना है ये हम तय करेंगे।
It is being said that the firefighting equipment was not up to the mark and there were no sprinklers used.
The saving mechanism inside, all of that failed miserably. You think the sprinklers didn't work, the water pumps didn't work.
I'll tell you. See, the issue is this is a rented property. It's not our ministry's property. It's a FICCI property, and therefore we have limitations. The issue is this is a real loss, and we will assess the loss when the building is again handed over to us, and immediately we'll assess and we'll see how the recovery plan can be made. But immediately I have ordered energy and fire audit of all our establishments all over the country, because this is one important, because we have 34 museums, ZSI and BSI all put together. So we will definitely, and thousands of people visit daily, so we will take care that such incidents don't happen. As far as firefighting and its operational things are there, I don't think this warrants my comments at this stage. But I came today morning only from America, and I immediately, when I got to know, I immediately came here.
So there are also talks about the generators and the electrical equipments that are age-old equipments. There has been no upgradation of these equipments inside the building, and that's why it was
that is why as I said, this is a FICCI property. It's not we are a rented. This is a rented property as far as Ministry of Environment is concerned. So the building doesn't belong to us. So ultimately that's one handicap. So I'll not go into the details at this point of time. I'll first we'll see what can be saved, what is saved, and how it can be restored back. That's our first plan.
सर, क्या कुछ पता चला है कि छठी मंजिल पर कितना नुकसान हुआ है? छठी मंजिल पर कितना नुकसान हुआ है, कुछ पता लगा आपको?
नहीं, अभी कैसे पता चलेगा? Fire people are already in operation, so all fire is not extinguished as yet.
सर, what was there on the
6th and 7th floor over there?
या फिर लोग वहाँ पर बैठते थे सर छठी मंजिल पर?
नहीं, that is why our staff is here. As soon as the fire department hands over us and allows us to go inside, we'll take stock of what has happened.
Any special inquiry that will be ordered by the ministry?
As far as the building and the fire, the construction, whatever is it is a FICCI property. It's a rented property for us.
Are you not informed there was some kind of construction work going on the 6th floor?
No, I don't know.
What loss has there been as far as
the loss can't be counted in rupees. These are the museum which is very old species, flora, fauna, and many other things are kept there. So they are the treasure. Now we have a plan for moving it to other area when we'll construct a new museum.
All right.
But till that time, we'll assess and let you know.
All right.